Welcome to 125 Tamarack Lane. I'm Laurel Guy, and this is a home you really will fall in love with. You're going to love the open feeling, the clean, minimalist design, and the light. There really is no place like this one. A house of light. This hip, sophisticated modern farmhouse is in the village of Trumansburg, in walking distance to shops and restaurants. This will be your favorite place to sit, or will it be the third floor tower room? A sunlit, open floor plan, high ceilings, and hardwood floors. Imagine cooking and entertaining in this chef's kitchen, contrasting quartz counters, high-end appliances, and custom cabinets. The primary suite is comfortable, spacious, a walk-in California closet, and it is designed, like every other room in this home, to have incredible natural light. Unique design, stunning architectural detail, plus energy-efficient radiant heat throughout the whole house, including the garage, and new AC mini splits. Great location in the village, beautiful landscaping, a one-of-a-kind design. There is no place like 125 Tamarack Lane.